What's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be going over some issues I had with the car when I was doing some maintenance work on it, and I didn't really find any videos on this issue, but since I had the issue, I'm pretty sure other people have the issue. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic myself, I'm in the medical field, so I'm going to be going over what happened with the car and why I had to start Operation Tow My Shit. Let's go. Alright, after a fucking like 3 hours of trying to put this bitch on the fucking truck, we finally got it ready. We are ready to go. It is 4:20 right now. Hey, how's it going? We out here, boy. Let's go.
5 hours later.
That's what I said. I would never pay niggas like this to tow my shit. We don't know what the fuck we're doing.
One eternity later.
Alright, so what happened with my car was I've been putting some miles on it. I've been driving to San Diego when I was stationed down there, and I was driving up to NorCal and San Diego a lot, and so I wanted to replace my my timing belt and my water pump, and that's just so that everything could be ready for when I tuned it for E85. I didn't want any issues later on down the road, so I decided to do that on my own since I had about a two-week winter break. And so I swapped out my water pump and then the timing belt, and everything went well. Everything went great, but I had an issue where the car wouldn't start anymore. I had no spark in the coil pack and everything, and I took the timing belt apart 3 times, and I just couldn't seem to solve the problem, so I asked for help. Mechanic actually came and took a look at it. He said all my timing was correct, everything was good, but he couldn't find the issue either. And to make a long story short, there's this bottom pulley down here, and it has a crankshaft sensor down there. I don't know if you could see, it's kind of dark, but behind this pulley right here, there's a small black plate. It could be any color, I don't know if you have an aftermarket or worn out, but there's a small plate, it's not very thick, that goes back there, and it has teeth on it. So it has I want to say about 4 or 5 teeth, something like that. All cars have different teeth depending on what car you have, and certain cars, if you put it on backwards, it's not going to read right. There's some cars where you could put it on forwards, backwards, it doesn't matter, it'll start. But I placed mine backwards so the car wouldn't start. And I was planning to get the car tuned to E85 anyway, and I was going to take it to my tuner. So I was like, I might as well knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. I took the car down to him right away. I told him everything I did, and that's very important when you take your car to a mechanic. You got to let them know what you've done, and then they could narrow down what your issue is a lot quicker. And like I said, he had no problem figuring out what I did wrong. It took him like an hour to repair it, so he only charged me like $50 for that repair. He switched that plate back like I said, in an hour. Got the car running, and then right after that we got to tuning the car. So yeah, if you're having that issue where your car doesn't have a spark and you change your water pump and timing belt, make sure that you go down there, and if that plate's backwards, make sure you flip it around, put it back in, put everything together, and if your timing is right, you got to make sure that your timing belt is right, or else your car won't start. But if you're having no issues with the timing belt, make sure that that plate down there is put on the right way, and then you should get spark to the spark plugs, because that crankshaft sensor, it reads the teeth. Like I mentioned earlier, it's gonna read the teeth when they pass by, and if it's backwards, it's not gonna be in the right position, and it's gonna throw off the computer when it's reading the teeth. So yeah, make sure that's good to go, and that's about it. Today, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash my car, and then I have one of my friends over. We're gonna go do a canyon run. He said after he saw my video, he wanted to go up there and do a canyon run with me, so I'm gonna take him up there. And so yeah, we're gonna wash the car real quick. Probably the footage I'm gonna show you is footage that I had previously recorded before, but car washes are all the same, so I'm just gonna slap that footage on here. Fuck it.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
Who gives a fuck? Let's roll with the blows, and let's get some hoes. Let's go. Hey man, can you get that kid out the street right there? Yeah, the one in the tricycle. Yeah, get him out the street, bruh. It's dangerous.
Yeah,
Hey, what's up, little man?
Shh. Like I was saying, what's up with them hoes tonight?
Let's go, bitches.
This one look like that one. That one match this one. Fuck it. Money. 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 It's Wiz Khalifa, man. And I got money, hoes. Money and hoes. I got money, hoes. Money and hoes. Sick. Money and hoes, yeah. Big money talking to you. Motherfucker, that's cause big money brought it to you. I be stunting while them little niggas saying nothing. High ceilings, high hoes, high prices for my clothes, and I don't even pay for it. Barely know who made this shit. Meet a bitch, take a bitch, straight back to that big crib. Let you roll some rapper weed, put you on some new shit. Hit this weed, I show you how I do this. My excuses, I'm in Cali, so my smoke's highly exclusive. And my bitch bad, my money's through the roof. Your money short, you looking mad. You Danny Bonaducci, bitch, I'm jumping in my coupe. I'm rolling something that tastes like fruit. And I hear them niggas talking shit, but there's nothing much that they can do. When I got a bitch in your city, you should try when you see her. Never tripping on no hoes, nigga, what you thought? We getting money over here. I'm ballin' hard, my niggas in the same game. I do it big, my niggas do the same thing. Yeah, I'm throwing signs, it's looking like I gangbang. I'm on the team, it's looking like I gangbang. I'm rolling up, my niggas roll the same thing. I'm smoking weed, my bitch, she smoke the same thing. Yeah, I'm throwing signs, it's looking like I gangbang. I'm on the team, it's looking like I gangbang.
Down to a motherfucking G-ho. I work hard, I drink slow, but I never keep drink slow. Smoky, cause I'm a cheapo. Sipping on Pinot, Bridget, ho, greedy, ho. Got everything like I caught me a genie, ho, yeah. My car look like a building, diamonds dancing on top of my wrist. Bitch, I'm 10 feet tall when I'm standing on top of my dick. You a sucker, ho, I'm success, I feel like $1 million. Bitch, I'm up next, money in my hand. I don't need no handout, and they all got their hands up, cause they fuck with me hands down. And the car I push got more tent than a campground. And my picture is always on your bitch background. Like Pada, it's just me and Saha. Young enough to be your son, but she called me Big Papa. She gave me her oh nana, then I did disappear like tie-dye. Smoking on that tie-dye. Now who the fuck gon' stop us?
I'm ballin' hard, my niggas in the same game. I do it big, my niggas